queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey y'all. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How are y'all doing or whatever? Hello kings and queens. You feel the vibes? Because it's good vibes only today, okay? I'm in a great mood. And we about to stuff some cash envelopes. So baby, get your popcorn, get your drink, and let's get out in my business. You feel me? But before we do all that, if you do enjoy this little small channel right here, baby, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because what? Enemies and haters, they need blessings too, okay? So yeah, but baby, let's get all into it. You feel me? Okay, y'all, so because little baby is short and sweet, we about to go in our sinking funds first and stuff these, right? If you guys don't know, haven't been watching, haven't done my October budget, okay, if you haven't watched that, we are doing a minimum wage budget. And baby, listen baby, okay, let me just tell you, all right? So my sinking funds use prop money, so this is a mixture of prop and real, baby, but I know what's up. So at home right now, about 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. I got $68. Okay, girl. And I'm going to put a 5 in here. And as you guys can see from my budget yesterday, and I'm going to be using one of my prop 5 because, listen, this is a sinking fund, so it stays in the bank's accounts, okay? So right now home has 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73. So now home has $73, and I got to buy me a bed spread, guys. So with $73, maybe like $100, we'll see how much these bedspread cost, because child, decorating a house is apparently like expensive, okay? And I wasn't ready, okay? I wanted to be an adult, but listen, get me back to my parents' house. I'm okay, no bills. I'm here for it. Anyways, next up is travel. Now listen, my only two sinking funds that I was worried about basically was my home and my car maintenance. So travel is getting money, but it is not a part of my minimum wage, okay? I am stuffing these using my entire paycheck, but as you guys can see based on my video yesterday of the breakdown or whatever, like, this is just extra money that travel, whatever leftovers, I am basically cash stuffing them. I'm not gonna leave nothing on the table because I need my budget. I need my coins budgeted, you feel me? But I still want to maintain that minimum wage, you feel me? You feel me? I need to stop saying you feel me, but you feel me. You feel me? All right, that's getting annoying. Girl, pause, stop, delete. Anyways, travel now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, and 665. All up in this good. You feel me? Good. Okay, girl. I don't know where that came from, but you know what? We're just going to stick to it for now, okay? Next is car maintenance, and car maintenance was a part of my minimum wage budget, okay? And I'm giving it $10, which is a $10 prop, okay? Prop. So car maintenance has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 70, 80, 800, 8, 10, 11, and 12. And obviously with this $10, 800, 810, 820, 821, and 822 is now in car maintenance. And guys, the goal for car maintenance is $1,000, okay? When this gas needs to be changed, when these tires need to be moved, and replaced, your girl will be ready, okay? That is basically what I'm doing. I'm getting ready for adulting, okay? This ain't a sprint, baby. Okay, it's not, it's a marathon. So get into it. Next, we are going to Christmas bills, which she back in the back. Anyways, y'all, because I'm excited. I don't know why, but I'm excited, y'all. Anyways, Christmas bills has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Ooh, Don't you love when an even number all comes together, baby? Now it is 60. So Christmas bills has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, God. Yes, he did. Even 60. We love it. We absolutely love it. So now Christmas bills has 60, which, girl, child, somebody. I might be... Who the hell was that? Yeah, I think one of my roommates came home. And that scared the shit out of me. Because I was like, who the hell is that? There's someone at my door. Anyways, so Christmas bill now has 60, which is cute. So that is it for all my sinking funds. Now your girl gonna move over to her cash envelopes, which is getting most of these coins, okay? Okay, y'all, so 2 things your girl wants to get into before she starts cash stuffing these coins, okay? First off, I'm having a giveaway. This is the Halloween giveaway. It's at the intro, baby. You saw it. You saw what's going on. You know what's up. Make sure you enter the giveaway. The video will be in the sky. Go and check it out. All that good jazz. You feel me? And also, my girl Money with Gab on Etsy is doing Falling for Fall October Saving Challenge. Baby, is you in it or not? Because even on my minimum wage budget, as Chris Budget says, I'm gonna be a saving challenge hoe, okay? Ho, okay? Not the right holiday, but that's okay. We can ho. So anyways, guys, make sure you go and check those out, the giveaway and the Falling for Fall October Saving Challenge. But back to these coins and this cash stuffing. So groceries, she got in $75, and I don't remember how I broke this up. I think she was a 50. A 10, 2 5s, and 5 1s. If I'm not mistaken, your girl think that's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She should be $75 if we want to talk the real. So as long as it's $75, I can't complain. I can't complain. So groceries is 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75 for the next 2 weeks. Baby, this is my normal on my regular paycheck without it being minimum wage. So, and your girl was low-key struggling a little bit, but you know, she gonna make it. But anyways, that's groceries, $75. Fuel stays in the bank's accounts and they are using prop money, but fuel is getting $35. So it's a 20, oh child, that's a real dollar. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute now. Okay, so it is, wait a minute. This is real coins. 20, where's the rest of the prop money? There we go. 30, and then we need 5 1s. Yes, they are. And 35. I knew I put this prop in here for a reason, okay? Fuel is in the bank accounts because we don't want... I use my credit card to pay for fuel, so I keep it in the bank account so I can just pay off my credit card once I do the swipe or no swiping. You feel me? So, yes, ma'am. So, fuel is getting 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35, which is cute. We love her. So, that's $35 for fuel. Allowance, my beautiful allowance, girl. What am I giving you? I'm not giving you a full 20, so you must be a 10 and 5 1s. A 10, a 5, and 5 1s. That must be what allowance is. I'm hoping that's what it is because, child, we ain't got no choice. I ain't got no breakdown for what I took out the bank, okay? So, memories. That's what I'm going off of, memories. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I gave myself $20 for 2 weeks, okay? Listen, the goals. These are goals. Crown, is she getting coins? She getting coins. Yes, she is. She getting $15. And that is that 2 5s? Wait a minute. Okay, maybe she's a 10. Yes, girl. She's a 10 and a 5. She's getting $15. So right now, Crown has $15 herself, and she is going to add this 15, and that will bring her up to 10, 20, 25, and $30 for Crown. Excuse me. Next is household. So Household currently has 10, 15, 16, and $17, and we was gonna add 5, child. Is it 5 ones or 5 fives? We gonna do 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We gonna do 5 ones. We don't know what it is. We just finishing up. That's all we doing. So household now has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Y'all, so for the first time I went to my like little grocery store on base or whatever, and I was trying to use my cash envelopes to do everything, but apparently, y'all, I forgot to like put my toiletries together, like one item together, and I was like, no, cancel it, and like, you know, I was gonna pay for it later, which I did. Don't come for me. But I felt like the guy was side-eyeing me because I said I wanted to keep it, even though I wanted to take it off my list. Like, it's not a normal thing when you're a budgeter, okay? And everyone will be side-eyeing you, but baby, when you're getting your finance together, forget a hoe. Forget a hoe. That's all I'm saying. So anyways, my household is now $22, and we gonna keep on budgeting and cash stuffing because you know what? Period. I'm gonna get my money right. So anyways, toiletries is next. And toiletries has $15 right now, and we are putting in $3. We're only putting in 3? Okay, girl, listen. When I'm on this minimum wage budget, you gotta do what you gotta do. So 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18 now is in toiletries. This is what we started off October with. What'd I say? $18? Yes, I did. $18. It's cute. It's cute. Listen, okay, I need toothpaste, I need a body wash, and a face wash. You know, those are the essentials, and I can get all those with these $18. Listen, I ain't gotta get the best of the best, but I would get the best to stay fresh. I wish somebody would. Anyways, so that was toiletries. So next is clothing. Not getting anything. Support a friend. She not getting anything. YouTube is getting $5. So right now YouTube has 10 right here, but she got $25 in the bank because, you know, I like to keep some coins in the bank. And so we're gonna add this. Ooh, child, wait a minute. Do I have extra money? No, I don't. Your girl did it right according to the budget. Anyways, YouTube now has $15 on hand, and she has $25 in the bank. So girl is up in her 40s and she's still cute. Who gonna chat me, boo? Still cute. Still repping, okay? So now YouTube has $40 in her. I can put the prop money in here if that makes y'all feel better. You get what I'm saying? But no, she got $40. Don't worry about the 10 and the 5. Next is going out. Going out is getting nothing. Business, she getting $5. Yes, that's cute. So business right now has 20, 40, 60, 70, and a $5 will make it 75. So that's 20, 40, 60, 70, and 75. We love to see it. Y'all, everything is coming together slowly. Like behind the scenes of everything is happening, and your girl excited. So business is good. And then last but not least is miscellaneous, and miscellaneous has $1, 2, 3, 4, $5, and we are adding $2 to her. So if we count her up, miscellaneous now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Because you know what? Shit be happening. Shit's be hitting the fan, and my little $7 will help your girl out in some way, shape, or form. But anyways, y'all, that was the end of my cash envelope stuffing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessing. Enter the Halloween giveaway, which ends on October 8th. But you know, I got the video for you guys down in the description box if you need to check that out. Make sure you hit up my girl Money with Gab, okay? Fall into Fall October 7 challenge, point blank period. Get your points together, okay? And last but not least, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, so keep it real, sis. Do what you got to do. Don't let them tell you how to run your troops, and you will hit it off. I don't know where I was going with that. I'm just gonna be real. I don't know, but it is what it is, baby. My name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.